So this is Teancum's engineering project. It is called the Water Smart Home. So the purpose of this project is to enable Utah residents to save water by recycling gray water. So gray water, that is the water coming from the shower, from the sink and the toilet. And that kind of water is considered gray water because it's still clean water. And gray water is being wasted because all of the water that we use just goes straight to the sewer. And then it gets treated there in the treatment plant. So what we are doing is recycling gray water, filter it so that we can reuse it to flush the toilet and to water the garden, lawn, and trees or shrubs. We actually use at least 65% of the water that we use turns into gray water, which is a lot. So if we could save that gray water, then that will help us lower our water bills, and also it will ease some of the pressure on our limited water supply, because that is Utah's major problem right now. So presently, we already have more than 3 million residents here in Utah, and it is estimated that in 20 to 30 years that our population is going to be doubled. So that is going to create a lot of problem here because we are already facing a limited water supply. But then if we have this efficient water system that we are using in the homes, then we will be able to, lessen the use of fresh water. So this is a very efficient way to conserve water, especially here in the state of Utah. So this is what's happening right here. So there's the plumbing right there. So the water coming from the shower, toilet, and sinks, it is directed to a reservoir right here, right there. And then this water is going to be pumped into the filter to be cleaned and filtered, and then the clean water is going to get accumulated in the tank. And then this clean water right here from the tank, we can use that to flush the toilet and to water the lawns, garden, and the trees. So this is really helpful, especially in the summer, wherein we use a lot of water. I mean, we are in a desert area, so we use a lot of water to water our garden and lawns. But then if we could reuse that gray water to water the lawn and the garden, then that will really save us a lot of water. In fact, we have used this 2 years in a row, and it was really helpful for us to have a garden. So last summer we had this huge garden, and we used our gray water to water our lawn and garden, and that was really helpful for us. So it worked for us. So we are proposing this project for Utah residents to use. We have used it, we have proven it, and I think it's about time that this idea right here is implemented here in the state of Utah. Okay, there's our water smart system.